Howdy guys. So this is how you do a FCC transmission state inside your DJI product, which is your Mavic, your Spark, or your Mavic Air, and how you get this FCC mode when you're outside of the United States. So first, have your Android app. Yes, you need Android, sorry. And then what you're looking for is some kind of spoofing device app. So here I'm choosing fake GPS location by Alexa. Let's run this sucker, and it is showing that I am inside. I selected some place randomly inside the United States is New York. You can press the play. You press the play to run it. Minimizes everything. Then at this point, you can start your DJI Go app, and you can start your remote at the same time. Okay, so that it can recognize it. So let's let it connect. It should say Mavic Pro. Okay, it is connected, and it should show that I am in New York. Yes. So currently I am in New York by the fake GPS app, and so with this, the app is going to be inside the FCC transmission state. So here's the most important part. Now it's time to turn on the Mavic, which is last. But as soon as you turn it on and it connects, as soon as it connects with your remote, you're going to have to activate the props. You're pulling in the joysticks, CSC, to activate the props. Let's activate it. Okay, it's on. Let's go check out the remote. As soon as it connects. Okay. Let's arm it. Come on. Oh, there we go. All right. Props are armed. So what that means is that that FCC state is locked in. So you can go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the fake GPS. Press the pause on it. That will stop it. Might as well close it. Back to DJI. Now the fake GPS is not running. So at some point the Mavic or whatever drone you're running, a DJI drone you're running, will lock the GPS eventually, and it will show your true location. So there's no worry about the return to home, because the Mavic will have the true location, and the true location will show on your map. I'm indoors, so it's not going to lock in now, but what you want to see, even though it is locked in, go into settings, HD, image transmission rate, and what you're going to look for is that white bar, that is very thin white bar that says 1 km. That white bar is going to be above that -90. Okay, so that indicates FCC mode. And even though, as long as the props are running, even though that you shut off the fake GPS and it locks in the correct GPS location, that FCC state will be locked in. You will have the full transmission power, and my own experience, I'm going to just throw some video footage after this. It will show me running both CE and both FCC with the Mavic to show the difference. I can lose I can get 0 bars of reception at already 1 kilometer with the CE, but at 2 kilometers I can have 3 bars of reception. So that can show you the difference. I believe it's more safer. Of course, you do this at your own risk. Follow your own local laws wherever you are. I'm not sure, so this is up to you. But this is a tutorial on how you do it. So latest firmware for the Mavic as of 2019. Latest DJI Go app. So no downgrading required. And I think it's future-proof. Basically, you don't have any issues with not having to upgrade either product. So app can be the latest, Mavic can be the latest so far as of 2019. I'm in June. So good luck and safe flying, and hopefully it works for you, and hopefully it gives you more stability, and I believe that's more safer for flying if you have a more stable connection. Okay, Subscribe, of course, and all that good stuff. If you like this video, if it helps you, comment on if it worked well for you, if it